How to change country on Shein app. To change your location on Shein app, you'll need to access the app or website. Make sure that you're already logged into your account. At the lower right corner, you'll see a Me button, so click it. At the account section, you'll see different features like your account, orders, settings and preferences, etc. At the top right corner, click the settings to see different options and to change your location or country. You can see different options here, so just scroll down to explore settings and find the location or country button. Click the location button and just scroll down below or type in the search bar the country or location you want to choose. I want to choose Philippines, so let's just scroll down to find the country. Click the country you want and wait for it to load. Refresh the page and then that's it. That's basically how to change your country or location on Shein app. Thank you.